Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to create a spreadsheet and use a spreadsheet to track or summarize your ancestors' addresses in a certain city. And you can combine multiple cities here or just do a single city per tab or per spreadsheet. But this is one that I did just in the town of Ogden, Utah. And it's mostly just relatives and one line of my family. But the way I would suggest doing this is you go through the old city directories or other records you may have. You can enter their addresses, so you can see here I've put it in a format of house number and then street name and put those in separate columns, and that will allow you to do some sorting here that might save you some time. So for example, if you go to your data tab here and you create a filter, and you, instead of selecting all, let's just say we want to see who lived on well, let's just go in and say Union Avenue. And then we would just take Union Avenue and hit OK, and there you can see the different people that live there. And so it's very quick to filter. You can pick multiple streets here and just pull those up, or you can select all and see everything at the same time. The same thing you could do is go by street number or by house number and sort that way. So it's a really good way to quickly see where your family lived, who may have lived on the same street or in the same neighborhoods, and it's all sortable here as well. So you could go in and sort it by name and put those in groups like that. So the other thing you can do, and if you're worried about separating the house number and the street name because you don't have the full address, really easy to do in Microsoft Excel. We could just put in a new column here, full street name, and we use the concatenate function. So we just hit equal concatenate, and then we just have to click the first text, which is the house number, then we put a comma, and then we want a space between those, so we'll put quote, space, quote, another comma, and then the street name, and our parentheses, and there you go. Now you have your full address, and if you want to fill that in, use the autofill function, and there you go, all the addresses are in. So again, a very easy way to keep track of addresses, but to have them right at your fingertips so you can go sort and kind of figure out the story of who lived where and who lived in which parts of town and who may have lived maybe even in the same home at different times and who were neighbors. So hopefully this is helpful.